can see there is the garden here, and the gates are here. Put your washing machine area here. This is the main door. This is the maid's room. Right now, may mga gamit kasi pinapaayos pa yung bahay. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna walk to the living room area. So you can see there's also the window here. Very big window. And this is their living area. Here. Living room area with furniture. We're still in the ground floor. This is bedroom 1. Okay, with their own CR and bath here. We're going to go to room number 2 in the ground floor as well. Ayan. You have your bed here, and you also have your master CR in here. There you go, very aesthetic. And there is a space here as well. Okay, and a mirror, and there is a walkway out here going outside. Okay, let's go to the kitchen area. The place is very spacious, guys. Here, there are still some artifacts here. This is also a balcony where you can go out here. Right now it's closed for now. This is what it looks like from the living room. And then here is our kitchen. Just gonna turn on everything. And you have your kitchen area right here. And this is the stairs going up the second floor. This door leads to the outside, where we will show it to you another area of land there. We'll show it to you later. But right now we're gonna show you the kitchen area. Just like that. Kitchen. This is newly built. Kitchen countertop with exhaust. And with very good cabinets. There, kitchen area. And if your view from the kitchen going to the dining, this is what it looks like. And then the stairs going up. We'll go there later. Now I'm going to show you the outside from the kitchen, where there's an extra lot. Okay, so this walkway is going to the front door right there, and right here is we're going to the extra lot of Ma'am M. So this is the place that we saw earlier in the living room, na closed pa yung balcony area. This is the living room, and you can come outside here and see another set of view. So now we're gonna go to the extra lot here. Wow, super big. Pwede kayo maglagay ng swimming pool right here, or pwede kayo magtanim ng mga gulay, mga prutas. Very, very nice space. Kasi pwede kayo magpasok pa here sa mismong house. This can be your garden area or your veranda area, where you can host parties as well. You can also have a small villa over there. We're going to put on the screen kung ilang square meters yon. But we're gonna go back to the kitchen space because we're going to go upstairs. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Here. The upstairs does not really have a lot of gamit yet, but this is another space right here. And there's another balcony area here upstairs. So makita nyo dito din yung space sa back. Yan. And then I'm gonna show you the whole second floor. Very, very spacious right here. Now we're gonna show you bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1, and they have 5 bedrooms upstairs, second floor. And then there is bedroom number 2. I'm gonna show you bedroom number 2, but it's master's bedroom. We're here, master's bedroom number 2. Master's bedroom. Let's do another angle so that you can see how big it is. Parang na siyang isang condo unit. Imagine a condo unit, ganito ka laki, and then it's only a bedroom, and then you also have your balcony right here. And makita mo din yung lot from the back here. There's also another balcony over there sa front facing of the second floor. Punta tayo sa master bedroom's restroom. There is a functional jacuzzi. Bago pa yan. Once pa lang nagagamit. Okay. Then, we're gonna go to bedroom number 3. But before we go to bedroom number 3, you're gonna go to the CR, common CR. Here. With washing machine and toilet. Okay. And we're going to bedroom number 3 here with its own balcony as well. You can see here the balcony has a glass door na may railings for safety. And in here is the front view from the bedroom. This is what it looks like in another angle. Bedroom number 3. Then we're gonna go to This is the balcony from the second floor. This is also a balcony in the third floor. So now we're gonna go to bedroom number 4. This is going up to the balcony. This is bedroom number 4. Ayan. Then I'm gonna show you a different angle. Let's go to the corner para makita nyo how big it is. And now let's go to bedroom number 5. Lucky! Let's go to bedroom number 5. Right here. Then let's go closer or go to a different angle para makita nyo yung bedroom. Just this. Yan. Okay. Then and let's try to go upstairs right here. Now we're gonna go to the balcony upstairs. Dito. Makita niyo what it looks like. So nice upstairs. Okay. We're just going to open the door here. Yo! Wow! Here it is! Balcony upstairs! Pwede kayo magtambay dito, drink your coffee. You can also have yung mga chairs here as well. Maglagay kayo ng chairs and table, pwede do yan. Kasi di ba malamig naman talaga sa Tagaytay, especially ganitong oras. Then makita din dito yung makita din dito yung Sky Ranch there. Yan. Then you can also see on the bottom, ito yung view from the top. Dito po kayo mag-enter itong gate na to. And then ito na po yung highway. Diyan. Dito na yung highway. And then papasok lang po kayo dyan. So road na yan coming here. Ayan. Diba? Malapit lang po siya sa wind. Pwede kayo magsakay ng tricycle.